Okay, this app is called Stock Profit. It is to create a program that calculates if the sale of stock resulted in a profit or loss. And this purpose is to practice using methods and logic with if-else statements. All right, so I'll play it for you. It asks, how many shares did you purchase? I'll say 100. What was the price per share? Let's say I bought it at $1 per share. The commission fee on that purchase, I'll say, is $7.99. And let's say I sold those shares for $1.50. And then they ask, what was the commission upon the sale? I'll say $7.99. Okay, and then it does that calculation and tells the user that the sale of this stock resulted in a profit of $34.02. So I'll show you the code. I open a new class called calculate.java. And I do have some imports up here for the J-option pane and decimal format, so that'll look nice as far as the decimal placement. And as always, I have my variables up here at the top, calling in that decimal format so I can utilize that down below. And in this class here, method, public void calculate input that I called it. Using the J-option pane, we're going to take the input from the user because J-option pane uses, it basically holds everything as a string. We need to convert that into the variable data type, which I have as a double for number of shares. We can see that up above in the variable list. Number of shares is a double. Okay, then it asks, what was the price per share? What was the purchase commission fee? How much did you sell each share for? That's a tongue twister. And what was the selling commission fee? Taking all of those inputs and converting them all into their individual variables. Okay, and then it does the calculation here. I did it pretty simple. There is a way how you can set up a method and have them as parameters up here in the parentheses, but it got a little bit too difficult, so I just kind of narrowed it down like this. And the only reason why it was a little bit difficult is because I have a separate class set up instead of doing it all in the main class. So this is the calculation. The profit or loss, but I named the variable as profit, number of shares times that sale price, so that calculation minus the sales commission, all right? Then subtracting out the calculation of number of shares times the purchase price plus that purchase commission. So that's that, and then it just does a simple if-else statement down here. If that profit is less than 0, then the sale of this stock resulted in a loss of an X amount of dollars. Okay, and this is just a J-option pane information message, and the same as below. Else, if the sale of this stock resulted in a profit if it was greater than 0. And then it exits the system. So I'll show you one more time how it works. And before I did it as a profit, so this time I'll do it as a loss. So let's say we purchased 100 shares at $1 a piece. And the commission fee was still $7.99. And let's say this company filed bankruptcy and we just want to hurry up and sell what we can so we don't lose as much. Let's say instead of selling for $1.50, we sell for 75 cents. Okay, and let's say the commission fee is still $7.99. All right, the sale of this stock resulted in a loss of $40.98. All right, so that is this application called Stock Profit. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I hope you have a great day.